Hi, today we're going to take a look at this really nice Blanchard grinder. This is a Blanchard Model 11 AD20 Blanchard grinder, currently wired for 480 volts. I got some notes here because I got a lot of stuff I want to talk about and I don't want to forget anything. This particular machine, serial number 14475, was completely rebuilt by Bourne & Co. in 2012, and it's only got 6,232 hours on it that it's been powered up since it was rebuilt. It hasn't even been run all of those hours. That's just how many hours it's been powered up. It's got a complete set of instructions with it for Bourne & Co. The manual and schematics, all the good stuff is in there, all kinds of documentation. It was retrofit with Fanuc controls, with this nice display screen, a remote operator's control that controls the X and Z axis, X being in and out, Z being up and down. Those Fanuc controls, power the head up and down for the feed, also the rapid up and down. The chuck rotation speeds, there's no more chuck rotation gearbox. That is infinitely variable also, up to 45 RPM, which is faster than most Blanchard grinders, all the way down to whatever you want to do. That's the chuck on. It's nice and quiet. Okay, I don't want to forget any of this. We did just service the machine. The table's been off the saddle. We cleaned everything out. It was really nice in there. Got an oil change, drained the gearbox. There are a couple of gears in here still just to pass the power through, even though that it's not an actual transmission anymore. There is no table in and out gearbox anymore. That's done by this Fanuc drive over here on the end. Runs the table in and out. We got the up and down. Those are the three Fanuc controls. It also is equipped with a Graco auto lube system mounted here on the side. It's on a timer. It's got all the newer style grease manifolds with it. Greases all of the important points on the machine: your column ways, your saddle ways, bearings for the spindle, all that good stuff. It takes care of all of that for you. Dry base machine, if I didn't say that, with an exit out the back. It will need a separate coolant system. In the pictures you'll see inside the cabinet is all the Fanuc controls. I don't think... Oh yeah, and I almost forgot. The Blanchard magnet controls. It's got variable, full, and the demag, of course. This is programmable for feed downs and stuff, and how to actually do all of that is in the documentation. Lots of different features. Table speeds, retract, all that stuff. I think that's about it. Safety interlock on the guard. You want to hear the spindle run? We'll do that now. Got to close the door to do it. Fire that spindle up, sir. That is the spindle running. You can hardly hear it. It's a really nice running machine in wonderful condition. Thanks for watching.